Today, it's all about muffins, but with a twist. I'm going to show you one simple gluten-free based recipe that turns into 3 completely different flavors: raspberry, lemon poppy seed, and chocolate chip pumpkin spice. Once you learn this method, you can mix and match ingredients to create your own signature combinations. 3 muffins, 1 recipe, endless possibilities. Let's bake. And we're going to start by mixing all of our dry ingredients. And I've got Frankie's gluten-free all-purpose flour here. And this is a 1-to-1 cup ratio gluten-free flour blend. And I'm adding my white sugar. And then I'm going to add my baking soda, baking powder, and salt. And I'm just going to give that a really quick, light mix. Okay, and to that I'm going to add some light salad oil and some water. And 4 eggs. And I like cracking my eggs in a separate container, just so that I know that there are no shells in it. Because nothing's worse than getting a shell into your nice baking. There we go. There's 3 and 4. And it looks like there are no shells in it at all. And I'm going to mix this up. So this is our base muffin recipe. And as you can see, it's nice and loose and ready to add whatever ingredients we want to put into it. So I'll just give the walls a quick scrape. There we go. So I'm going to divide this into 3. Hopefully evenly. And I didn't do it very evenly. Let's see. Oh, maybe I did. Yeah, this one needs to have a little bit taken out of it. Okay, so I'm going to start with raspberry. And I'm using frozen raspberries, but you can use fresh if you want. And I'm just going to fold these in. There we go. And let's put that somewhere else. Next, I've got my pumpkin. So get the pumpkin in there. And I've got nutmeg, cinnamon, and clove. Oh, that smells good. And some chocolate chips. We'll just mix that all in. Look at the color. Well, that smells really nice. Okay. And then for our third one, it's lemon poppy seeds. So I'm going to add in my poppy seeds and some of my lemon juice. I'm going to keep some of that for a later use. I'm going to mix that in. There we go. Now it's just a matter of scooping them into a muffin tin. So I'm going to grab a scoop. We'll start with the raspberry. And just like that, the muffins are done. They're going to go into my preheated oven of 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius for about 30 minutes, but I'm going to keep an eye on them just to make sure that they don't overbake. While the muffins are in the oven, I'm going to make up a lemon glaze for the lemon poppy seed muffins. I'm going to start with some icing sugar or powdered sugar. And a little of this lemon juice goes a long way. So I'm going to start with just a couple drops. And I whisk it all up. And I need a little bit more. No, I think I need all of it. There we go. Okay, that's all mixed. So I'm just going to set that aside. When the muffins come out, I'm going to let them cool. I'm going to put the lemon glaze on the lemon poppy seed muffins, and we're going to give them a try. See you in a moment. So as you can see, I've glazed my lemon poppy seed muffins, and they look great. All the muffins look great. And I can't wait to sink my teeth into them. But first, they took 30 minutes in my oven. Your oven might be slightly different. You might have an electric oven, you might have convection, so do keep an eye on the muffins from time to time because you don't want to overbake them and you don't want to underbake them. I took a skewer and inserted into a couple of them at random spots just to see if they were done, and they came out clean, so I knew that they were done. So I want to try the raspberry. Look at the raspberry poking out here. Oh, look at all the raspberries there. I mean, you can still see the steam coming out because I just pulled them out of the oven. Ooh, that's a little on the warm side. There we go. Nice pop of flavor with the raspberry. You could do this with blueberry or strawberry. I'd probably cut the strawberries down if you're going to use strawberries. You could mix the lemon with the fruit as well, so you could have lemon raspberry or lemon blueberry. So, I mean, your imagination is your only limit. That one's really good. Okay, let's try the pumpkin. These two are quite warm. Oh, look at nice. Oh, look at the chocolate in there. Hot. The spices of the cinnamon and the nutmeg and the clove are subtle, but they come right through. And that pumpkin is really nice. That's a really good muffin too. And then lemon poppy seed. This is probably my kid's favorite muffin. I think it's because of the icing, personally, but this looks really good too. Lots of disbursement of all the poppy seeds. They're nice and evenly dispersed. What's nice with the lemon poppy seed and the icing on top, it creates a bit of a crust. The other two do have a crust. It's more noticeable in the lemon poppy seed that it's got a crust on it. And I really like that in a muffin. If you're looking for the recipe for any of these, you can visit glutenfreeguide.ca. Thanks for watching.